Yo! Ayos ng gamit para sa Bataan Anime Convention dito sa Bataan.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.
So today ay nasa Bataan Anime Convention tayo. Kasama mo yung kapatid ko. So para siyang converse dito sa Bataan, kung saan puro cosplayers and event. Hopefully ay mag-enjoy kayo dito sa video natin.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Nabudol kami.
Mikey.
First from Japan. Official guys.
150 lang, sushi.
Mura.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
So may malupit na nangyari.
Nagpa-picture lang sa Yula.
Nagpa-picture ako sa Yula.
Tapos
May
may
binigay
postcard.
sa akin.
Okay, pakita mo.
Oh. I mean, nagulat ako.
Close right.
Lupit. Nice. Pa-follow natin. Kita po. Yan yung social media niya. Follow natin mamaya.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination, oh no. I don't care where the motor stops. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. But I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep without you. But I still have my friends, don't want you. You're a nightmare, reminding me of who I am. I feel scared sometimes. Why'd you leave me be? I know I'm a mess, but I don't need you to tell me.
So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog. So, yeah, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo.
Next 2 months ulit.
See you ulit sa next video. Bye-bye!
All I need is them, so you